All right, so it's day number 3 in the Star Wars Advent calendar. You can see we just did number 1 and number 2 right there. So let's go ahead and move on to number 3. And we're doing one of these a day here. It's an interesting one. I'm not sure exactly what this is yet. If you know what it is, definitely let me know. All right, here we go. And as you can see, sometimes with these smaller models, we've got extra pieces. Those are the leftovers from day number 1 there. All right, so we definitely have this, and these guys are gonna go like this. And it looks like there's this on the bottom. So we're gonna do that a couple more times here. Okay, and then we're going to do this guy. And then this guy. All right, so hopefully you can see that. That's the bottom there. And then we're going to do the black, which is going to have this going out. And we're going to do that 3 times as well. Maybe. There it is. Okay. And then this guy is going to connect with this. And then this is going to go like this. And like this. And then this will go with this, and then this goes in with this. Okay, that's coming together. And then looks like one of these will, there's a lighter color for one of them, so we'll do that. Not sure why, but we'll figure that out. And then we want to put these guys on like this. I have a feeling sometimes with these Advent calendars, we're doing a couple of different, we're doing a different step for a larger piece here. And that's probably what's happening with this one, I would imagine. But we'll find out here. All right. So, kind of looks like a probe. Be my guess. But we'll find out as we go through here. So this was day number 3. And we'll put day number 3's extra pieces over there. Like I said before, they come with extra pieces with some of these guys. So, got day number 1, day number 2, day number 3, and tomorrow we're going to do day number 4.